In today's video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide to connect MetaMask to any Web3 website. This process is straightforward, and by the end of the video, you'll be ready to seamlessly navigate the world of decentralized applications. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open a Web3-enabled website. There are numerous websites out there that support Web3, such as remixethereum.org, app.uniswap.org, or chainlist.org. These platforms provide an array of services, from allowing you to develop and test smart contracts to participating in decentralized exchanges. Once you are on one of these websites, locate the Connect Wallet button. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the web page. You might see it simply labeled as Connect. This is your gateway to linking your MetaMask with the site, so go ahead and give that button a click. As soon as you click the Connect Wallet button, a pop-up will appear asking you to choose which wallet to connect. Here, select MetaMask. In some instances, you may need to click on Browser Extension first before you can choose MetaMask. This approach minimizes clutter and keeps your workflow streamlined, so ensure you've chosen the right option. Following this, your MetaMask extension will slide open from the right side of your browser. It's designed to be both intuitive and user-friendly. Here, it's time to select the account you wish to connect. If you have multiple accounts on MetaMask, take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the correct one for the interaction you're planning. Once you've selected the account, you will see options at the bottom labeled Next and Connect. Click Next, then click Connect. These steps act as a confirmation to both MetaMask and the website that you're ready to establish this digital handshake. Interestingly, if you do have multiple accounts, MetaMask wisely allows you to choose which specific accounts you wish to connect. It's a level of precision that provides great flexibility and security. If all has gone smoothly, you're now connected. The Web3 site will typically display your wallet address, signaling a successful connection. Now you're set to interact with the website, whether that means swapping tokens, minting new coins, sending assets, or viewing non-fungible tokens, all depending on the specific features that website offers. Here's a helpful tip if nothing happens. Make sure your MetaMask is unlocked and that it's set to the correct network, such as the Ethereum mainnet or Polygon. Each Web3 website might require a specific network to function correctly, so it's an essential detail to check when troubleshooting. And that's it. You have successfully connected your MetaMask wallet to a Web3 website. With this skill, you can now explore the growing universe of decentralized applications with greater ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.